This video will show you how to prepare a medium 2-pound American fruitcake. The box will come with your choice of fruit and nuts, or in this case, this is the original American fruitcake. Contains pineapple wedges, whole red cherries, whole green cherries, pecans, and walnuts. And it can be your choice or the original. A flour mix and a butter sugar mix. You'll also receive an instruction card showing you how to prepare this fruitcake. As well, on the back side you'll see instructions for the decoration kit. We have the decoration kit here and we will show you how to prepare that also. You will also receive a piece of parchment paper. The parchment paper is to line the loaf pan. There's a video on our website showing how to do this. Very easy, very quick. So prepare your pan before you start making the cake. You will also need 1 cup of applesauce. You can use these kind of cups or you can measure out a cup. So we're going to open all of our packages with scissors. We're going to get a medium bowl ready, get our mixer ready, get our wooden spoon and spatula ready. So we'll be right back. We've opened all of our ingredients. We have our bowl, a medium bowl, spatula and a wooden spoon, our mixer, and we've done the loaf pan with parchment. There's the video. If you need any help with that, just look at the video. Very easy. So we're going to start by simply putting the butter and sugar mix into the bowl. Then we're going to add the applesauce. And we're going to mix it well. We're going to scrape the bowl down. And mix it just a little bit more. Now we're going to pinch the bag and add just half the flour. And mix until the flour is wet. Now we're going to add the remaining flour and mix until wet. Okay. We're going to scrape a little bit of flour off the outside of the bowl, fold it a few times, and we're ready to add our fruit and nuts. Whole green cherries, pineapple wedges, whole red cherries, walnuts, and pecans. And we're just going to fold this now so that the batter coats all the fruit and nuts. Just simply fold it, turn it over. It'll mix the fruit and nuts and coat it with batter. So you see everything's getting coated. Folding, just turn the spatula over, dig down, fold it over. Your wrist is upside down at this point. Just release your grip on the spatula, rotate your hand, and you're ready to go again. Release your grip, rotate your hand, and go again. Just release the grip. So it's very easy, little practice. But we're good here, I think. We're ready to put it in a pan. That's all you need to do is coat everything with the batter. So now we're going to take our wooden spoon and spoon the batter in. Start by getting it around the edges. And I'd like to put a good layer in the bottom, and then you work the batter around to make sure it's up against the edges of the pan and that there aren't any big holes or voids in the batter. You can just push this in and work it. Ultimately, we want a nice level top. But just by pushing it a little bit, you make sure there's no big voids. Then continue on adding the batter. And level everything out. Push it around. You want to make sure you get batter in the corners and along the edges. So that's about all there is to it. Try to get it level as best you can. Makes the top look better if it's level when it rises. And I think we're done. Now I like to fill in any spots that might be low, going back to the spatula. And this stuff that's still in the bowl is very good to put on the top of the cake. Helps make a nice, smooth top. Okay, we're done. We're also, as you see here, we have the decoration kit. We're also going to decorate this fruitcake. So we're ready to put it in the oven. The oven should be preheated already to 275. We're going to pull the fruitcake out 20 minutes early so that we can apply the decoration kit. And we'll show you here in a minute the decoration kit. So into the oven, set your timer so you take it out 20 minutes early to do the decoration kit. Otherwise, let it bake the entire time. We have taken our fruitcake out of the oven 20 minutes early in order to put a decoration kit on it. We've sliced all the cherries in the decoration kit in half and we've laid them out on a plate. You can have any design you want. This is simple red-green pattern. And what we're going to do first, the glaze, 2 tablespoons of water, boil briefly in the microwave. We're just going to brush the top of the cake with the glaze. And this does a couple of things. It helps hold the fruit on the top of the fruitcake, and it makes the top of the fruitcake shiny. Now we're going to arrange the fruit, and again, be careful the pan is hot. We're just going to arrange the fruit as best we can. We'll start by just running the pecans down the middle. We will brush all the fruit and nuts again with glaze after we've got them laid out the way we want them. So that works out good with the pecans. There's approximately 10 cherries and 10 pecans in the decoration kit along with the glaze. Cut the cherries in half, you have 20 cherries. So you can decorate the cake a lot of different ways. Whatever you decide. Like I say, just lay it out on the plate and you can change it and do whatever. See if we can squeeze these together just a little bit. We've got 2 green cherries left. Okay, now all we're going to do is brush everything with the glaze again. Okay, very simple design. We're going to stick it back in the oven for 20 minutes and then take it out and allow it to cool for 2 hours. We have allowed our fruitcake to cool for 2 hours in the pan. We're now going to remove it from the pan. First, take and lift up on one side of the fruitcake and see how it gets loose. Get the other side. So you know you're free, you're good to go. Just lift up the fruitcake and set it aside. You can put it on a plate or do whatever you want with it. We're going to remove the parchment. And just tilt the cake up to remove the parchment. Now this cake is still warm. We're going to go ahead and slice it. But if you want to, you can put it in the refrigerator for a few hours and let it firm up, and then take it out and slice it. We're going to use a serrated blade. A bread knife works best. And you need a serrated blade because you're cutting through big pieces of fruit and big pieces of nuts. A steak knife will also work. You can slice the whole cake or just portions. So there you go. The 2-pound medium fruitcake from American Fruitcake Company. Enjoy.